Hello friends, welcome back to my channel GyaanTech. Today I will show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11, step by step. Don't worry if you are a beginner, I'll explain everything very simply, like a friend. So let's start. VirtualBox is a free software that lets you run Linux, Ubuntu, or another Windows inside your current Windows 11 system. It's very useful for learning Linux, networking labs, CCNA, CCNP, CCIE practice, testing software safely, and the best part, it's 100% free. Now let's download VirtualBox from the official website. Open your browser and go to www.virtualbox.org. Click on Downloads. Under VirtualBox Platform Packages, click on Windows Hosts. The download will start automatically. Important: always download from the official website to stay safe. Once the download is finished, let's install it. Go to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the VirtualBox setup file. Click on Yes. Minimize all other windows. Click Next. Select I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click Next. You can select path where you want to install. You can keep it default. Click Next. If not downloading any other, select Yes. Click Next. Select accordingly, keeping default. Click Next. Click Install. Now wait for 1 to 2 minutes while installation completes. Click Finish. Congratulations, VirtualBox is now installed. Now open VirtualBox from the Start menu. If you see this VirtualBox dashboard, your installation is successful. Click on Help, check installed VirtualBox version. In the next video, I'll show you how to fix copy-paste issues. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more, share with friends, and save for later.